Double flux. Hello, everybody. Today I'm at my sister-in-law's house. She's a bit shy. Her name is Linda. She doesn't want to be on camera. So I'm doing two things. I'm putting the video and then I'm like, let me show you. Let me show you what I'm doing. Yeah. With the phone on one hand and putting this flour on one hand, and she makes the dough. I keep saying dye because I have to be careful in all the things. Enough. It's okay. Okay. So we have already finished making one cookie. Man, aduh, itu sukit. Oh man. Okay. Sorry. Hello, Cik Junaidi. How are you? So 1 year ago you were here, Cik Junaidi, in Norway. Mad. And I'm mad.
No.
Ooh. Okay. Oh, goodness. Yes. So, it is actually still, we just have to be thankful for all the blessings. I don't get to run so much of my travel company this year, but then that means that I have more time to do things like this. And previously I will always make an appointment with Linda to do it, and then I cannot, I have to go and fetch clients. And I keep postponing, and then this time around I can do it. So this is our second cookie. The first one is this. Perhaps you can do a fritai. So this one is not in the oven yet. We have one tray which is in the oven. Yes, this is what we call the marv postai. It's very good. It's one of the cookies that I really like. So we're just gonna see Linda make this. In the meantime, maybe we can take a look at her house decorations. Christmas decorations a little bit. Okay, not Linda's decoration, but Björn, my brother-in-law, because he's into the decorations. Linda is not. Look at that. So just a little bit. This is a little decoration. This is not much decorations yet. Like the full-blown, the full-blown effect is soon. So these are like very pretty stuff. So they usually don't put the red candles yet until much closer to Christmas. Maybe the last week or the week just before Christmas, they will put up the red candles. But before that, usually people put white or other colors. For curtains, Linda doesn't have these purple curtains, but usually for a traditional Norwegian house, they will have purple curtains right up to Christmas, and then only they will have red curtains. Yeah. What else can I show? So they have not put up their Christmas tree yet. So this is when you have lots and lots of window decorations. You see the neighbors' decorations. Lots and lots of window decorations are coming up, which is and what I understand is that a lot of people are making an effort to put a lot more these decorations, or even earlier than before, because people think that it's been a very tough year with Corona, and there's a need to, hype up the mood a little bit, and what better way to get into the festive mood, and to put up the lights much earlier. So there were people who put up the lights maybe end of November. Some people do that. I want to show you maybe the neighbor's house before I close. Let me see. Oh ja, ska jag visa? Vill du att jag visar? Okay. So you can see that the neighbors has this guyul. The neighbor also has got something there. So this is very interesting. I remember when I was traveling with the group with Cik Junaidi, everyone was asking me, what is this Godjul? It's Godyul. It's not Godjul, it's Guyul. So J, the letter J is not pronounced. It's not pronounced as J. It's pronounced as Y, like Yul, Guyul. So Linda actually told me to go and show you her Let me see her basement where she has the tree downstairs. Let me put on the lights. Voila! Okay. So now I'm gonna go down the stairs. This is a bit steep, so I am a bit scared when it comes to going down staircase. I have always had a little bit of the phobia. Yeah, because I fell down the staircase many times. Okay, now I'm here. Let me see. So, oh, sorry. So you get to see. Ooh, there's no lights. Where are the lights? Yeah, all right. Let that be light. So this is my sister-in-law's basement. Yeah, so they have the tree here. She wants me to show you her tree. She will keep saying it's not her tree, it's her husband's tree. Because, voila. Yes, wow. All right, so here's the thing about the tree. Some people have fake trees. And some people have real trees. So more of these decorations. Of course, this is what do you call it? Gret, which is a porridge, the Christmas porridge that people tend to eat, rice porridge. So the tradition is that to put a bowl of the porridge for Santa. Santa's gonna come and eat it during Christmas. So this is a fake one, of course. This is made of candles. Yep. So I want to talk about a little bit about the tree. So some people have fake trees, some people have real trees, and the fake trees are good in a sense that you can keep it forever. You don't have to go and get a new tree. You don't have to go and get a new tree each year, right? And then you don't have to water the tree, because usually you will have the tree usually people put it up on the 23rd in Norway. We celebrate the Christmas on the 24th, not on the 25th. Celebrate on the 24th itself. That's when you have the meal, and yeah, the actual day is 24th, not 25th. So on the 23rd, we call it lille julaften. That means the eve of the eve. That's when people will start putting up the tree. So that's when the mood comes in. Usually people don't put up the tree earlier than that. But more and more people feel that it's too stressful to put up the curtains, to clean the house, to put up the tree all on the 23rd. So it's becoming also a tradition that people put up their tree much earlier so that you're not so stressed. But some people feel that, oh, if you don't do it on the 23rd, it's too early and the mood is gone, or blah, blah, blah. So, okay. So this is a fake tree. So if in a house where you have cats or you have dogs, it's always good to have the fake tree, because sometimes for some dogs, they will actually pee on this tree, because dogs like to mark, right? They mark their territory. And if, let's say, maybe you get a tree and then some other dog has peed on it, and then you took that tree home, the dog is gonna pee on this tree. Oops, I dropped one. Oops, something dropped. I'm caught on camera here. Something dropped here. I don't know. One of the things dropped. Shh. I'm gonna tell Linda later on. Hi Lucy. Hi Azza. Hi Cik Junadi also. Yes. I wanna try to put up more lights here, but I don't see more lights for you to show. Yeah. But I think the tree is really nice when it has to be in a place where you can see it all the time. So if it's like in the living room, or you're watching the TV, as you're watching the TV you can see the tree, then it'll be really, really like cozy and nice. All right, people, I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna tell her. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna leave you with pictures of Santa now. All right, people. Wish you a very lovely Saturday and lovely Sunday. I'll post more pictures on the cake or the cookies that we have done. All right. All blessings. I think we just have to be very thankful, and I'm very thankful for all that has happened in 2020. Even though it hasn't been easy for me, it hasn't been easy for so many people. It hasn't been easy, especially for all my partners who are running travel agencies. It's not so fun when we cannot run our businesses as per normal. But hey, like what my partner was saying, it's a blessing. It's still a blessing. It's a blessing that we all can spend more time with our family and do the things that we would love to do, but then we could not do because of our jobs. But now we're given an opportunity to do that. So it's a gift. Everything is a gift, and anything and everything that we get, good or bad, is a gift. It's meant either to teach us something, or to give us another opportunity that we have not had before, perhaps, or have not had for a long time, like in my case. Alright, people, have a great weekend. Bye.